Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make paper squishies. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to be using some paper, regular printer paper, should be okay, a few colored markers, some clear tape, and something to put inside. You can put makeup sponges or memory foam chunks, or any type of scrap sponge thingies, or I think you can also use a plastic bag, but I haven't tried that yet, and a pair of scissors. So what I like to do is find inspirations on Pinterest, and I found these cute hamsters, so I'm gonna be making one of them. So you want to take your sheet of paper and fold it in half, and then you want to start drawing your picture. So once you have your piece all taped up, you want to make sure to leave a little slit on the side or something to stuff your squishy, and that's what we're going to be doing now. So I have my pieces of foam and some makeup sponges that I just decided to cut up, and we're going to be putting this inside of our squishy. You want to close the little opening with some more tape. And there you have it, your own little cute paper squishy. Obviously it's not going to be as slow rising as regular squishies, but it's really cute and you can make it whatever you want, and yeah, it's super easy and fun to make. So here I have another hamster that I made off camera, as well as this patterned heart, and I used some puffy paint to decorate it, just to add the little kawaii face. But here you can see that you can use some patterned papers as well, just like the one I have here, and even some gift wrap and stuff like that if you want to. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you would like to see more paper squishies in the future, and I'll see you soon.